Hello everyone, this is Currently Jack, and today I'm going to be reporting a follow-up on the issues of Google Gemini. Now this kind of goes back to what happened a couple of days ago on about Tuesday nightish. There was a fire at a third-party facility which affected a Google data center in Mumbai, India. This has affected a lot of areas surrounding India, so if we actually scroll down the article to try and find it, you find Google Cloud originating from Delhi, Chennai and Mumbai and surrounding areas is experiencing intermittent periods of elevated latency and possible packet loss. Now they mention that they've attempted to not solve the issue but do a workaround by rerouting traffic away from those areas, and it makes me wonder, this rerouting they've done, have they rerouted millions of users, and I mean millions of users, from India and places around to using maybe servers in Europe and America? And could that be causing the issues that we are seeing today with Google Gemini? Because if you actually look at the error codes which we're getting for the Google Gemini errors today, you'll find that whenever you do a prompt, it's timing out. It attempts to run it and then it times out. So is that timeout the result of putting so many new users onto those servers? Is it causing the servers to go really slow? And that is what I reckon it could possibly be. Now, this could have nothing to do with it. It could be something completely different. But I've got a feeling that this might be a knock-on effect. I'm going to say possibly not 100% the issue, but I suspect it is probably not helping. I reckon this rerouting which they've done is a big part of what's happened. Let me know what you guys think in the description below. I'll also mention that based on comments on the previous video, that other things such as Google Firebase appear to be on and off of working. If you use a VPN, you might find that you can actually get it working. One of the subscribers actually mentioned something. I'll pause the video so I can get it up on screen. Right, so if you try and find this comment then. So the one which I'm looking for is in here somewhere. I've had quite a few on here. Just try to find it. Has some amusing comments on here as well. Let's see, there it is. So same with authentication. So again, another thing, there's issues with authentication and a timeout on Firebase upload. They said that their saving grace was a VPN workaround which got things working. So I wonder if you connect to certain servers around the world, could you possibly get Gemini and all the others working? I don't know. I can't answer which servers they are, but if you do enough digging you might find it, and if you do find it, please let us know in the comment section below. But as you can see, it's not just Gemini that's having issues. It's authentication and timeout on Firebase upload as well, which means it's definitely server issues. And the fact that they said a timeout on Firebase upload, again, that comes back to the exact same thing. You're doing prompts in Gemini, the server's timing out and returning errors. You do Firebase uploads, it's timing out. It always seems to be the timeouts, which again comes back to my point that possibly they've overloaded the servers. Now let me know what you guys think. Make sure to like, subscribe and definitely hit the bell icon for more content. For now, goodbye.